Pretty straightforward here for these drive showers. You just have to remove this one nut, or I should say bolt, and the end caps on the rams here, and there's a couple nuts under there that I'm going to undo, and pretty straightforward and pretty quick. Okay, I put a jam nut on the back side of this Nylock factory nut so I can hold that and the shaft won't spin while I loosen the other side. That way I can spread the ears of the drive showers and slip them over. The washer that is here, gets eliminated because the drive shower flat goes in here and replaces the washer. Okay, you spread the ears of the drive shower, just slip them over the shaft threads there. No washer, you leave the washer out. And up top here, there's a spacer that goes in, tubular spacer, goes underneath the bracket, nut goes through, very simple. Now I'm just going to reattach the nuts and cover caps and stuff. And there's the drive shower all installed. Looks nice. Can't wait to get them out there and test them out.